So today I'm bringing you the most important discoveries that I have been collecting since I started this research. This is the story of a leader of the heart. This is you, huh? Directing the highs, not that high, not now, not that high, wait a little bit, and the lows, not that down, not that down, not that down, you wait, no, modulating the expectations, the meaning, and the emotions of the creative team. Yeah, the creative team. Yeah, that's the creative team. What you think and what you feel defines the quality of your rhythmic cardiac coherence. And I know it's somehow medical, you know, but what it's telling us is what you think and what you feel makes you boom pa, poo pa, poo pa, or it makes you boom boom ba boom. Boom, boom, ba boom. This is one of the most frustrating things that creative leaders share with me. You know, Maria, I knew it, and I didn't know how to say it. I felt it. But you know, talking about intuitions in the board meeting is not politically correct. Huh? And I didn't follow through. And it happened as I knew it. To lead from the heart, it's an inward journey for which there are no road maps. A quest into an uncharted territory that starts where you are, even if you don't know where that is. Focus, modulation, broadcasting, amplification. This is the framework, the ethical, the emotional, the biological, and the spiritual heart. They all move in circular energy. They are all interdependent, and they create upwards and downwards spirals. When we look through the eyes of the ethical, emotional, biological, and spiritual, when we are there with our full heart, we're able to use our full potential. Because from intangible idea to execution, your ability to create and to lead a creative team is completely, totally together linked with your ability to manage heart-centered energy. You know, and when you look at it from the perspective of business, the heart brings meaning. Meaning brings engagement. Engagement brings collaboration. Collaboration brings performance. Performance brings speed. Speed brings profitability. Profitability allows you to put yourself into creating sustainable impact, and then you find yourself acting on purpose. And that brings fulfillment. And this is what I call the virtuous spiral of leading from the heart. To lead from the heart, it's about alignment. What I think, what I feel, what I do, and what I become. So now, tell me, are you one of them? A leader of the heart? learn. Thank you.